Okay, so these two here are illnesses that affect the brain. Obviously, we know that now. The way I look at it, though, is that multiple sclerosis is an issue with it's like an insulation issue, kind of like when a little piece of the wire of a wire covering is kind of peeled away. Um, and Parkinson's disease is more, it affects the neurons themselves, while multiple sclerosis affects the membrane that covers the neuron. And that's just the best way I can put it for now. But just know that they both affect the brain and they will cause disability. All right. Let's see. Okay, a blind patient may wish to touch the EMT's face. That may happen. It's never happened to me, but I guess it could happen. And the reason if they do want to touch your face, I would think it's just to kind of get an idea of what you look like and to kind of get familiar with you. That's the only reason I think they would want to touch your face. See, terminal illnesses. So here are a few illnesses that will eventually lead to your patient dying. So progressive fatal diseases, end stage cancer, um, heart failure. We know what that is. That your blood starts to back up and your heart is just not pumping adequately. Kidney failure. These patients will usually go to dialysis about 3 times a week. Um, you will be dealing with that population a lot. And the issue with kidney failure is that if your kidneys filter blood, they filter out the bad stuff and they keep the good stuff in your body, the good blood, right? Well, if your kidneys aren't functioning appropriately or correct, then what's going to happen is a lot of waste is going to build up in your body, and that can lead to a whole bunch of other illnesses and issues. And as far as Huntington disease, this is something else that we haven't really covered. So again, I will be showing a video on this right now. Any questions so far about anything? Some of these we already talked about, and the ones that are completely new, like I said, I will be showing a video. But what it comes down to is just disability. That's what it comes down to this chapter. But, so I'm gonna go ahead and